Our Gemstone Homemaking series continues as we explore the healing properties of rose quartz in today's video. Hello dear ones, Jennifer L. Scott here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. In this Gemstone Homemaking series, I like to be inspired by these beautiful stones with the hope that they can infuse my homemaking with love, joy, wisdom, and whimsy. Today we are allowing the ethereal rose quartz to inspire us. Rose quartz is a pale pink stone that is part of the quartz crystal family. Rose quartz represents unconditional love and is known to emit strong vibrations of love, joy, and emotional healing. What a beautiful crystal this is! Let's use its healing attributes to enliven our lives at home. I'm wearing this pretty pink blouse today in honor of the rose quartz. Dark pink colors give such strong, positive vibrations for me. I always feel vibrant when wearing them. I'm wearing a rose quartz power gemstone bracelet too, to bring rose quartz with me all throughout the day. My nails are painted in pressed petals by London Town. I love wearing pink in the spring and summer months. Here are a few new shades I look forward to trying. Time to put on my apron, because I need to clean the kitchen after breakfast and put some groceries away. After my work is done, I make myself a cup of hibiscus beauty elixir tea and read a bit from my favorite book, Map in Lucia by E.F. Benson. Hibiscus tea has a deep pinkish red color to it that is so beautifully intoxicating. Hibiscus tea has a lot of health benefits and it's packed with antioxidants. I like its naturally sweet and refreshing taste. By the way, I've found a way to take gemstones to the next level. My friend Laura asked me if I knew about VitaJewel crystal water. Of course, I was immediately intrigued. The VitaJewel products are made from glass that is hand-blown in the German Alps. They create original crystal water bottles, decanters, and dispensers. It's like jewelry for your water. The water bottles and vials contain high-quality crystals that emit positive vibrations to your water. For those who are skeptical, I encourage you to do research on the crystalline properties of water and how they take on the vibrations of their environment. The studies are fascinating. I have the water bottle and the dispenser. The crystals in my VitaJewels are amethyst and rose quartz, of course. They make the water taste like beautiful, pure spring water. I completely love this concept. I will leave them linked down below for you, and of course I have a discount code, so let me know what you think if you try them. Keeping on the subject of drinks, what drink could embody the beauty and color attributes of the rose quartz more than a strawberry banana smoothie? In my Vitamix blender, I combine organic, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, one banana, some vanilla protein powder, flaxseed powder, large juicy strawberries, and whole-fat plain Greek yogurt. My daughters love smoothies, so I'm making this for them too. And of course, they need to be served in pretty glasses. I'm enjoying mine out in the sunshine while I admire the burst of flowers around me. Look at this gorgeous lantana with pink and yellow in it. So charming. I'm going to arrange a few rose quartz inspired flower bouquets now. My first bouquet will consist of stalks, mums, and pink roses. The second bouquet will consist solely of pink tulips. While I create these arrangements, I'll tell you about rose quartz mythology. Rose quartz has been traditionally of high value to the ancient world. It has been found in ancient Egyptian tombs. Both the Romans and ancient Egyptians believed that rose quartz cleared the complexion and prevented wrinkles. There is an ancient Greek legend on how rose quartz came to be. The Greek goddess Aphrodite had a lover named Adonis. Adonis was attacked by Ares, the god of war, and was made into a wild boar. Attempting to save Adonis, Aphrodite was pushed onto a thorny bush. Her blood gushed onto the quartz crystal, making it forever pink. Okay, why are these myths and legends so sad and gory? Do you remember the one from the ruby video? If not, I'll link that video in the iCard above. Well, it is just mythology after all, but one can be inspired by the link between rose quartz and love from the blood of Aphrodite herself. In my research, I also found that ancient healers in Australia drank sacred water from the rose quartz, which served as a panacea to their illnesses. Wow, that makes me love my crystal water bottles even more. My flower arrangements are finished, and oh how I love them. These emanate that beautiful, positive rose quartz energy from their glorious pink shades. I hope you enjoyed today's video and take inspiration with me from the romantic and gorgeous rose quartz. What gemstone will we explore next? Keep calm and remain classy, dear ones, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.